Today I'm diving into the hypersonic powerhouse that's been making waves, the TYFUN Ballistic Missile. Buckle up because this missile is set to redefine modern warfare. First off, let's talk tech specs. The TYFUN measures a solid 6.5 meters in length with a diameter of 610 millimeters. Weighing in at a hefty 2,300 kilograms, this beast has a range that exceeds 280 kilometers, but word on the street is it can stretch over 1,000 kilometers under the right conditions. Guidance is on point with GNSS ensuring precision hits, and we're talking a circular error probable, or CEP, of just 10 meters. In tests, many hits landed within 5 meters. That's pinpoint accuracy, folks. Fuel type, solid. Number of stages, single. And it's got a burn time of about 40 seconds, driving its cruise speed to hypersonic levels. Now, what can this missile target? Air defense systems, light armored vehicles, command centers, aircraft hangars, critical facilities, you name it, the TYFUN can hit it. It's launched from the Bozat 8X8 vehicle and designed to deliver maximum damage with minimum collateral. Day or night, rain or shine, TYFUN gets the job done. Plus, it's resistant to jamming thanks to its CRPA antenna. Developed entirely with national resources and produced domestically, the TYFUN missile is a testament to homegrown innovation. The possibility of ship-based deployment is being explored, and different variants are in development, promising a whole family of missiles tailored for various missions. The TYFUN first grabbed headlines with its 2022 tests, showcasing a range of 560 kilometers. By 2023, it was rolling off production lines and into the hands of the Land Forces Command, with limited quantities available for export. So, what's the latest buzz? The third test launch recently took place at Rize Artvin Airport. And while official statements are scarce, there are interesting hints. Back in 2023, President Erdogan emphasized the need to push the missile's range to 1,000 kilometers. Roketsan's general manager, Murat Ikinci, confirmed ongoing efforts to extend TYFUN's range at a recent defense conference. Navtex data hints at a test area around 700 kilometers long, suggesting a lofted trajectory was used, similar to methods employed by North Korea for their tests. This allows for a 1,000 kilometer test within a 700 kilometer space. Stay tuned because an official statement from the president is expected soon. I'm excited to see how this unfolds, and I'll keep you updated on all things TYFUN. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the TYFUN missile, hit that like button and subscribe for more military tech insights. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your mind sharp.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.